hotel in Bugis, Singapore. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you first the bathroom. We got a bathtub, small one, and some towel over there, and shower, some sink, and that is
So
toilet.
it's really like a mini nice bathroom.
Yeah, but it's really nice. I love the color and like, look at that.
Don't touch that. It's too dirty. So
We got a
kindly close it.
ah.
Wash your hands.
So we got
Actually, it's not really clean for every hotel, even though like it's a 5-star or 3-star. As we know, like there's a viral video in Facebook regarding some 5-star hotel that is not really clean. They use like a toilet water in cleaning some of the bathroom area. So, but actually that's in China, but who knows? It could be like anywhere. So go.
gonna stay right here. Glass.
Yeah, those are some toiletries.
Yeah, and then a toothbrush, toothbrush, and some
Sanitary bag.
sanitary bag. And
Yeah.
what's this? Ooh, what's this? But they
That's
gotta
Q-tips.
Q-tips.
They call it here Q-tips or the cotton buds.
I forgot.
I
to say
think
that
that's
you
the
can
hair
put
cap or the plastic cap for your hair.
actually a bath soap.
Bath soap, yes. No, it's actually like a hand soap only.
But they don't have the bath soap.
They have like included there the small bottle, which is a shower gel.
Oh,
I don't know with
this
What's
is
that?
a white tea body wash.
body wash, and also like the other one, the white one, conditioner, shampoo. So
That's it for the bathroom.
okay, so here's the closet cabinet, or where you put your clothes. It's kind of big actually, so you can have it here like
That is my porch. Okay, I know. Yeah, I think
yeah, that's emergency flashlight, or like if it's dark you can use that to look for something. And also there's a safety box underneath the
yeah, safety bags.
underneath like the table there.
Yeah.
You can put your
If you going outside, you can
valuable
put
things.
your- yeah.
And there's like ironing board, and there's an iron, and also like the some
Iron.
what do you call this. Okay, so here's our bag, and also like they have
Couch.
like a TV here, Toshiba.
This is a small couch.
Yeah, a small couch there.
TV.
It's actually a pretty big hotel in Singapore. So compared to other different hotel here, it's much bigger.
Yeah, we got a bed, small bed, two small beds.
So here, there's like the village
Big lamp.
picture.
Yeah, it's a cool
Is
picture.
that a picture or a painting?
I think it's
Oh,
painted.
no, it's only like a print out on the canvas. So from here, here's the couch area, and here there's a mini personal ref. So we actually have like 2 refreshment free from the hotel. So also you have like free coffee, tea, creamer, sugar, And here they're like restaurant. You can room service for the food that you want. It's mostly Chinese food. And also like there's the landmark, which is like different cuisine, which is Western, local Asian, Mediterranean, Indian cuisine. And also here it's the kettle, the electric kettle for your hot coffee or tea. So it's pretty much like here. What's that? So we have here 2 single beds, and I'm gonna show you the view outside of the hotel. Welcome to Bugis, Singapore.
Yeah, that's the viewing. There's kind of like a bath there.
That's the bus where we're going to Malaysia. It's going to Johor Bahru.
JB.
So tomorrow we're going to Johor Bahru,
It's
and
a colorful
we're gonna take
building.
that bus. Yes.
Colorful building. I like.
And there is the OG Albert in Bugis. So
Later
there's
we
a
go to
skyline.
Bugis.
So there's a skyline over there.
Bugis.
So that's
Let's
it.
call it Bugis.
That's pretty much for the room tour
Yeah.
in Village Hotel.
Yeah.
So
see you
say
guys later in Bugis. I forgot the name.
So just say bye, and we need to close it. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video.
So see you guys later.
Bye.
Hey guys, what's up? They're here already in Singapore.
Yeah.
What can you say, Mia?
Pretty good. Bye. And yeah.
And how about you, Mika? Mika, what can you say? Good. And I'm so happy.
Me, I'm so not happy. Oh.
Let's go. We're going to level 5, and we're going to take swimming today. Let's go. Hey guys, we're in 14th floor, and this is the view. And this is the room. Let's go. What time now? What one? 1:30 a.m. Hey guys. Oh, dali, swimming na ka. Huwag sa malalim, ha? Mainit? Ha? Hindi, palamig. Maligam daw. Hindi eh. Hindi lang. Sige, go. Swimming sila. Hindi ko pa na-try yun. Bukas na lang. Eka! Yan, nagsuswimming po sila, guys. And malamig. We're here in Village Hotel. Today is February 14, 2003, and we are relaxing, enjoying, and also the kids are they're enjoying the water right now. Bye bye guys.